In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom virtual background without green screen. First, open the Zoom Workplace desktop app on your computer and sign into your account. This feature works through the desktop app, so make sure you're not trying to do it from a browser if you want the same settings and controls. Once Zoom is open, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Zoom keeps all of the options for your camera, audio, and appearance, including virtual backgrounds. Inside Settings, click Video and Effects, and then choose Virtual Backgrounds. This section lets you preview and manage the background that appears behind you on camera. If you've never used this before, don't worry. The setup is very straightforward. Now choose one of Zoom's built-in virtual backgrounds. If you want something more personal, click the plus icon to upload your own image or video. In some cases, Zoom may ask you to download an additional package to enable virtual backgrounds without a green screen. If that message appears, go ahead and click Download, then give it a moment to finish installing. Next, make sure the option labeled I have a green screen is turned off. This part is important. Since you want to use a virtual background without an actual green screen, Zoom needs to rely on its built-in detection to separate you from your real background automatically. After that, check your camera setup. Good lighting makes a big difference here. Try to make sure your face is clearly lit and that the room behind you is evenly lit as well. It also helps to avoid sitting in front of a very busy or cluttered background because simpler surroundings usually give Zoom a cleaner outline to work with. Also, try not to wear clothing that closely matches the colors in your virtual background, since that can confuse the effect. Once everything looks set, test the background by moving a little in front of the camera. Watch how Zoom handles your hair, shoulders, and the edges of your body. If the outline looks blurry or parts of you disappear, improve the lighting or switch to a simpler real background behind you for better detection. You can also change your virtual background while you're already in a meeting. Just click the arrow next to Video, open Video and Effects or Virtual Backgrounds, and then select the background you want. The change happens immediately, so you can adjust it on the fly whenever needed. And that's how to use a Zoom virtual background without a green screen.